G'day guys, we're going to talk about something a little bit different. We're going to talk about roller sleeves, the different sizes and the different uses. So I've got a couple here that I'm going to show you and what I use them for. Now we call this a med roller, a Nook and Cranny roller. Now that's used for sometimes steel post, battens underneath a house. We use it quite a lot of stuff, and you can also gloss doors with it if you get it in a microfiber. This one here is a fluffy one. So that's the 4-inch one. And the next one we're going to go up to is a 6-inch one. Now I use this one to roll my chamfer boards on Queenslanders. Also use it to roll the cladding on the new homes outside. That's pretty well the pile that it comes in. Yeah, it lasts a long time. That one's probably done a few houses. Okay, so that's those two, and we'll put them there. This one here is a 230. Now this can come in a foam as well, so you can gloss doors with. This is a microfiber one in 4mm, and we roll doors with this one here. So that's that one. The next one we're going to go to is a 270. Now this is a lamb's wool. It's a really nice one to do feature walls, stuff like that. Puts a lot of paint on. The big patio just out the back, I've just rolled, I don't know, 50 square meters, maybe more with this here. It's pretty worn out, this one, but it's actually a really nice finish. Now you can get these in foam as well to gloss doors, and you also get them that size in that there in the microfiber. We get it in the 4mm like this, or we can get it in a 12mm, which we use to paint the colonial doors with. The next one is your 360. Now this is a Dulux Excellence sleeve. I use this as my top coat, finish coat on new homes, on the basically the budget homes. It gets the job done pretty quick, as you see in the videos. This juggernaut roller frame opens up or comes in, so this will fit, this frame here will fit all of these here, except for those little ones there, of course. So then we've got the big baby, which is the 460. This is in the lamb's wool. You can also buy this in a microfiber as well, and a few other different ways you can do it. Now this will be for ceilings and undercoat, so I'm about to use this for some undercoat, so I thought I'd just do this video and just show them. So as you can see, this is the same frame here. It's just extended by using these pins here. You just unscrew them and it slides out. So that one is the same frame. Really needs cleaning up. You see how much thing is there. It actually will extend out even further. So anyhow, that's it. And to do all these, we use the big tray. There's a couple of different trays you can use. This one holds a lot of paint. A bit of a painter's tip. Nice handy tip from the painter is if you use one of these trays, cut this out, because normally that is covered in. So as you pour out, it can come out and spill. So cut that out, and I bet you there's people out there that don't have that cut out. If you haven't cut it out, just cut it out. That's a helpful tip from the painter. Catch us later. Bye.